Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine you're building an AI agent. It talks, it reasons, it takes actions, but suddenly something goes wrong and you have no idea why. That's where this idea comes in. Agents Observe, a system designed to make AI agents observable, debuggable, and actually trustworthy. So here's the real issue. Modern AI agents are like black boxes. They call tools, they chain thoughts, they make decisions across multiple steps, but when something breaks, you don't see what happened inside. Logs are messy, tracing is incomplete, and debugging feels like guessing. It's like trying to fix a machine while blindfolded. Agents Observe introduces a structured way to track everything an agent does. At its core, it captures three things: actions, observations, and state. Every time the agent thinks, calls a tool, or receives output, it gets recorded as a trace. Think of it like a timeline where each step is visible and connected. So instead of guessing, you can literally replay the agent's behavior. It's similar to how developers debug code, but now applied to AI reasoning. You get step-by-step execution, inputs and outputs for every tool call, context at each decision point, and suddenly the black box becomes transparent. Now, how do you actually implement this? The system is designed to plug into agent frameworks without rewriting everything. You wrap your agent execution loop and inject observation hooks. Each step emits structured events like JSON logs or trace objects. These can be stored in local logs for debugging, databases for analysis, or visualization tools for replay. There's also flexibility. You can choose how deep you want to observe. Lightweight, just tool calls. Detailed, full reasoning traces. And that trade-off matters because more visibility means more overhead. Here's where it gets really interesting. Once you have these traces, you can do more than debugging. You can compare agent behaviors, evaluate performance step by step, detect failure patterns. For example, if an agent keeps choosing the wrong tool, you'll see it immediately. Or if it loops unnecessarily, you can pinpoint exactly where. This turns agent development from trial and error into something closer to engineering. And that's a big shift. But there are pitfalls. First, too much logging can overwhelm you. If you capture everything blindly, you will drown in data. Second, sensitive data exposure. Agent traces may include prompts, user inputs, or API results. So you need proper filtering and controls. Practical tip: start with key checkpoints only, tool calls, decisions, and final outputs. Then expand gradually. Another tip: use visualization early. Seeing the trace as a graph or timeline makes debugging way easier. So, Agents Observe isn't just about logging, it's about making AI agents understandable, reliable, and eventually production ready. Because if you can't see what your agent is doing, you can't trust it. And this idea might just be the foundation for the next generation of AI systems. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay spark. See you in the next video.